Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 589 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm trying out the Madison Miller Midi palette Miller Squad that I just got in my September Ipsy Glam Bag Plus box. And I was so excited to get this because I'm really excited about this collab between Madison Miller and Ofra. Madison is a YouTuber, she's a new mother, and this is such an exciting collab. And this just looks like such a beautiful palette. You get 2 highlighters and a blush, and then it has a mirror, which I really appreciate. So let me just start out by swatching each one of these. They all have really nice texture. Right away, they already have beautiful, full pigment. The highlighters are just so pretty. They swatch so smooth, just so full pigment, bright, very reflective. And I think that this light pink highlighter is going to be perfect for my skin tone, but I also love that they have the deeper shade of highlighter, but I'm going to use that as an eyeshadow today. And then really excited to see how this blush looks. Looks like a really pretty natural flush type of shade. But so if you have not seen my September Ipsy Glam Bag Plus box, I will have that video linked down below. But this palette has a retail value of $35, and I got 4 other full-size products along with this palette in my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus box this month, and that only cost $25. So it's such a great deal if this product alone costs $35. Okay, I'm really excited to add some color and glow and dimension to my face right now because it's looking very flat and one shade kind of washed out. So I'm just gonna start out by taking the blush here, and also these are really big pans. But so I'm just taking my favorite blush brush. This is from Bare Minerals. It's the Flawless Face brush, and it's a nice fluffy brush. And I just will smile and blend it out onto the apples of my cheeks. But wow, this has really good pigment. Oh, I always tend to apply way too much blush when I'm trying them out for the first time. But this is seriously blending out so nicely. Oh gosh, I'm gonna go in with a lighter touch onto this cheek. But hey, at least we can really see how that color is and how it really looks on the skin. But gosh, you only need the tiniest little touch of this to get a beautiful flush because it has such good pigment. Yeah, I really like this blush shade. It's definitely a shade that I'm drawn to, that I would wear on a daily basis. It looks really smooth and natural on the skin, so a really nice formula there. And then I'm gonna try starting out by applying the highlighter with a fluffy brush. Ooh, I wasn't sure if the pigment would show up enough with a fluffy brush, but it definitely does. Super glowy and beautiful. And this color on top of the blush is looking so pretty because of the pinky tone to this highlighter. It really complements the blush nicely. So this seems to be my heavy hand side. This one I'm going in with a lighter touch and it's more subtle, but now I'm gonna go ahead and build up the highlighter. It's definitely a very buildable formula. So pretty, it looks so good on the skin. Look at that glow. Okay, and then I'm just going to apply a little bit to the center of the face. Wow, such a pretty highlighter. Very easy to apply. And then taking the bronzy shade here, I did do a tiny bit of a crease shade just with a light brown. So I'm going to apply this shimmery beige brown shade all over the eyelid to finish off the eye look. Oh yeah. Love this color on the eyelid. Really beautiful shine and pigment. Wow. It's the type of color that I could just throw on its own and not even have to wear other eyeshadows with. I love that. It's such an easy color to wear on the eyelids, but still has some pretty glow, which kind of emphasizes the eyes and adds a little bit of extra glam to the look. And this applied so easily and beautifully with just my finger. Wow. I'm not surprised that all of these products in the palette performed beautifully and that I just love the finished result. So easy to, oh my gosh, I feel like my skin, my complexion looks transformed from when I started this video, and I had no color in my cheeks. It was all matte, but now I feel like I have a healthy glow, that healthy flush to my skin. And this is definitely the type of palette that I would bring with me when I travel. I'm going to a wedding this weekend, a wedding the following weekend, traveling to Texas and LA. So lots of traveling coming up for me, and this will definitely be a palette that I will bring with me because this just covers 3 of the palettes that I would need. My eyeshadow, my highlighter, and my blush. I'm so happy with this, clearly. But let me know in the comments down below if you've tried this palette out and what your thoughts are on it. And if you got to try anything else from the Madison Miller Ofra collab, I would love to hear your thoughts on those products in the comments down below. Yesterday I tried out the liquid lipstick, which I also loved, so this definitely makes me wish that I could try out the rest of the collection. And thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.